welcome back to my channel. This is a overdue update video for this Wayfair bed that I bought back in 2020. So this bed in this part of the video was from 2022. I moved to a new apartment. As you can see, there's a bassinet. I had a baby, and that bed has been holding your girl down. And now this is a clip from 2023 until now. This bed is in our guest room, and it's still very comfortable all these years later. Like 5 years later, this bed is still comfortable and doing exactly what it did in the beginning. Now it's just for the luxury of my guests. Now this is us in December 2023. Girl setting up this daggone bed. Still scared from popping out. But yes, I have to introduce y'all to my man, my future husband, y'all. I have to introduce him. But yeah, this is us just setting up everything for this bed. We've had it for it's August. Let's see, summer, January, February, March, April, June. Oh wow, it's been 8 months. So it's been 8 months of us having this bed. Now this bed, it's the same mattress as the mattress from the first Wayfair bed, but it's a king size bed. Now when I tell y'all I love this king size bed and I love this mattress, but the daggone box spring, y'all gonna see. Don't ever buy this box spring that I'm gonna show y'all. But this is just us getting all the pieces together, getting ready to build it. Now this was the easy part. That box spring, y'all, raggedy, okay? Don't ever waste your money on a metal box spring. But oh, that's my man. Him the best. I love him so much. Hey, babe. But yeah, let's get into this.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Yeah, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn, if we let them catch up, it's easy to see that you fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, that man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Maybe you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, just sit.
So this part was a part that I was like very, like what's going on. So they're supposed to have lines on the sides so you can screw in the bars that go in the middle to keep the bed, I don't know, child, to keep it together. But it said do not use the drill. But unfortunately, we had to use the drill because there was no other way. We couldn't screw it in because there weren't any slits in the side like how the instructions said there would be. So, yeah, deduct 25 points because no Wayfair, y'all play with us with that. But yeah, that was the only real complaint I had. It's just that if we move again, it's like, will we be able to put this bid back together? And I hope the answer to my question is yes, because honey, who got money to buy another bed in this day and age? Okay, it's 2024, everything is too high. But yes, this is the final result of it, and I thought it was a beautiful bed. Okay, so this is what I was telling you about in the beginning of the video about this raggedy ass box spring. Excuse my French, but raggedy, okay? First of all, I'm over here praising the instructions because yes, the instructions were very easy to read, but why in the world who created this idea? Literally, y'all, metal box spring with just a a a cloth covering. It was no type of foundation on top. The mattress literally sunk into every single metal bar. Like, look at this. Okay, so this is us bringing it over. And do y'all just see? It's just, I should have known. I should have known. I should have known better. You see how we individually putting these metal bars down. I don't know why I thought it would be able to support a mattress comfortably, but literally, it was the worst item I could have ever purchased from Wayfair. And then that stupid little cover, it would keep popping off every single time we would put that bed on the mattress, y'all. Like literally so uncomfortable. And then on top of that, hold on. So this is the mattress. This is the mattress it came in. I was surprised because it's a king bed and it was really small. But as y'all know, Wayfair love to scare your girl with a little pop-up mattress. So we'll get back to that box spring because I have more footage included. But this is just us opening up the new mattress.
We both scared. Oh my god.
I mean, like.
Now, this is the part I was telling y'all about how it just kept popping out of place. Like it just the cover for the I can't even remember the name of it, child. The cover for it, it just kept popping. Box spring, there we go. And it kept popping out. And then it kept sliding back. So the mattress would just keep sliding back and forth on top of the damn box spring. Y'all, I had to use a shoebox to put between the wall and the damn box spring so it wouldn't just, the bed would just keep moving back and forth, back and forth. It was so annoying. It was terribly uncomfortable. So do not buy no metal box spring of no type, of no size from Wayfair. Y'all see how I push the mattress and it goes down into that empty space in between each freaking, I don't know, metal pipe. It was so uncomfortable. And we slept like that for months until we finally bought a new box spring because my back couldn't take it anymore, okay? We had to buy a new box spring. We ended up getting it off of Amazon and it was wooden slats. You want to make sure whatever material is flat, it's connected, and it's hard. Do not ever buy a box spring with spaces in between. This was a mistake on me. I was used to my old Wayfair bed because it didn't need a box spring. So yeah, that took me by surprise. But this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys soon.